I think this is an immersive experience. To sip your tea without a rush, without looking at your watch. One hand movement. Like a disc jockey.
तो उस पे दे हमने.
मेरा हो गया. For the matki.
I didn't expect this.
If you're walking by the river, how can you not get wet? छोड़ो यार, क्या बातें करना. इसका फील बैठने में है. Some places are so endearing कि लगता है we should go back once more, and we did.
है ना? We are back in Bhandardara, but this time a little more rugged experience. We are in Wildroots right now,
Which is a riverside lodge. Literally, we are walking along a river.
Along the river, and as the name suggests, it's wild. But उसके पहले हमको भूख लगी है.
Yes, so
as usual.
Let's have a nice rustic breakfast. नदी किनारे breakfast. This is like a dawat by the water.
By the waters, yes. And this is your tea.
सुबह की चाय नदी किनारे. You want chai?
No. I want food.
Oh my God! Piping hot tea.
Piping hot tea and piping hot bhatura with chole. Because for once, we are not into the food that is there in front of us, just enjoying what's around us.
I think this is an immersive experience. To be woken up by birds, to be welcomed by birds, and to sip your tea without a rush, without looking at your watch.
So you'll have to rush, otherwise I'll finish the bhatura.
Hey, no love lost for bhatura. I have my
dosa.
First love. Dosa. कुछ जगह है ना naturally आपको शांत कर देती है ना? Like मुझे बहुत कुछ बोलना है मगर मुझे अभी इस moment में वो नहीं बोलना है.
कुछ नहीं बोलना.
I just want to be with.
And I think that's
place.
the point of this experience.
नमस्कार काका. सकाई सकाई कुठे? No confusion. This morning is about clarity. Chai.
Wow. So यहाँ पे obviously breakfast buffet भी है. But if you want this experience, you obviously have to kind of pre-book it, talk to the managers.
And they're very friendly and they're very happy to arrange this for you. So make sure you inform them.
Lots of birds also over here. I can spot a few white storks. The long-necked birds. वहाँ पे पीछे छुप के बैठे हैं.
Yeah, because they come for the fish and the insects. Well, this place और ये माहौल जो है यहाँ पर मैं 3 चीज़ें बहुत मज़े से कर सकती हूँ. One is of course read. Get your favorite book. Take off your shoes and just dive into it.
I can do photography over here आराम से बैठ के.
Yes. Wear your headphones or earpods and just listen to the favorite music. Listen to your favorite music.
I don't think I need music over here.
I could.
काफी.
I could just, maybe explore a rag here, just listen. And if you're getting poetic ideas, I think this place is a great inspiration.
And I can just sleep over here on this deck.
Sleeping here would be a great experience. है ना? इतनी शांत नींद आएगी. You'll wake up well rested, refreshed without an alarm clock.
Try करते हैं. तो रूम में क्यों चेक इन करते फिर? सामान नहीं बुलाना. And this is one of the rooms.
Oh my God.
At Wildroots. Huge room ना. 4 लोग की जगह है यहाँ पे.
आराम से big gang of friends. Perfect time.
No, our crew.
And our crew, which is also a big gang of friends. But so rustic, and
Very
the
nice, yes.
beauty in minimalism is thy name.
It's nice and cold.
Yeah, the walls.
Thatched roofs. Nice. Nice.
And a little window seat to do gupshup.
And then fall on the bed.
Like this.
Quite literally. Let's go.
And this, I think, is going to be my room.
Yes.
Because it's petite and cute.
And cozy.
And cozy.
Nice.
And just right.
But यहाँ पे भी you can fall on the bed.
This window seat has cushion.
But you know what? The highlight of all the rooms is come. This chilling place in the morning.
Oh yeah. इसे कहते हैं चारपाई.
चारपाई.
छोड़ो यार क्या बातें करना. इसका फील बैठने में है.
Prachi is settled, but हम अब थोड़ी देर में kayaking के लिए भी जाएंगे. Come on, let's go.
See you.
See you. Now, since there is a river by the property, like we said in the morning, we are going kayaking.
Yeah. If you're walking by the river, how can you not get wet?
Or do something with it at least.
And barsat mein, can you imagine?
Fab.
It'll be flowing, pura bhar ke. It's a little joy ride. Inki apni kayak hai, Wildroots ki. So you can just take it and go for a little row.
Spin.
Spin.
For a little row.
Little row. मुझको भी तो दो कुछ यार. But this kayaking was really calming and cooling, and it wasn't like that, you know, competitive, I want to build some muscle kind of kayaking. It was like, let's go wherever the kayak takes us. पता है मराठी में एक गाना है, अरे संसार संसार जसा तवा चुलीवर आधी हाताला चटके मग मिळते भाकर. मतलब
when your hands are burnt, that's when you can eat
your meal.
Yes.
Yes.
So basically we have to earn our meal now. Come, let's see. हम भाकरी बनाने को try कर रहे हैं, which is the toughest hand bread to make
in my opinion.
For sure, yeah. और शुरुआत में ही गलती हो गई क्योंकि पानी नहीं लगाया.
पाणी लावू? दाबू अजून? तुटणार नाही ना दाबलं तर. सूप का पीठ लावू?
She's giving instructions also side by side.
काय नाव तुमचं मावशी? भीमाबाई is coaching us on the art of making. I think this is बस ना? आता काढू का? This is the tough part. To get it out without breaking it. ही बाजूवर. ही बाजूवरती ना? आता पाणी.
बीच में थोड़ा ऊपर से पानी डालेंगे.
The water has to reach the edges of the bhakri, वरना it will not cook properly and it will remain dry.
Which in itself is a scary thing to do.
पलटी करूं?
पलटी. करपला.
करपली? नहीं ठीक है थोड़ा सा तो.
हाँ मैं खाऊंगा.
It has to have a little bit.
मैं खाऊंगा.
Brown spots are important, otherwise it will be कच्चा.
I will eat this.
प्राची's किचन का ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा.
अरे वो बोलते बोलते जल जाएगा.
This is not the final process. इसके बाद इसको आपको उठाकर ऐसे you have to just keep it against the chulha. You have to keep circling it round and round. So this is where the bread will puff. So now it's actually cooking below the chulha, very close to the embers. And now Mohit is going to make his bhakri.
Yes.
One hand movement. Like a disc jockey.
तो उस पे दे.
मेरा हो गया. My bhakri is ready.
It broke.
पानी.
कोई गैस दिख रहा है क्या? ये गैस को खिला देंगे.
Oh God, no. हम चाहते हैं कि कैसे यहाँ आए और इस खाने को enjoy
It will be
करें.
very tasty.
But you know what? It will be tasty when you eat your own bhakri because it's fun.
Ow.
हमारी मेहनत का फल,
Yes.
also known as bhakri, आ चुका है.
I've got this
Half moon shaped bhakri.
underwear, half moon shaped bhakri. This is Superman's underwear, so
Yeah. Mine is okay. I would call
Please.
it as
please.
it's well done. By the way, chand pe bhi daag ho raha hai.
But this is not chan. This
This
is
is a
bhakri.
well done bhakri. So now let's talk about the well done food. Really well done
Very
food.
well done food, yeah. Bhindi,
Bhindi.
Matki Usal, Bharli Vangi, which I'm very excited for, but I don't want to set any wrong precedent at home. Dal, kala chicken,
Chicken koli vada.
chicken koli vada,
Gulab jamun.
gulab jamun,
Salad?
rice,
Not to forget. Ghee.
toop,
Thecha.
and good.
Gul. Or we also have some fried kurdaya. Papad.
Oh, this will take you back to
Chas.
Bombay. To Mumbai.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to start with the Bharli Vangi because Bhakri and Bharli Vangi is
you know.
home.
That's not how it's done.
हाथ से निवाला नहीं चिंता को. Oh, it's a very nice nutty gravy.
Nutty.
Garlicky, nutty, as in peanutty. It goes so well with the bhakri.
Oh yeah. अच्छे से mildly spiced है. It's not overpowering. Peanut का बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर है. बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर है. थोड़ा सा कोकोनट वाला भी.
ये जो छोटा वांगा होता है ना, काटेरी वांगा बोलते हैं आई थिंक इसको. फिलिंग के लिए कितना परफेक्ट होता है. और फिर शेंडी पकड़ के ऐसे भी खा सकते हैं.
वेजिटेरियन चिकन कुणाल ने कोई एपिसोड में बोला था.
Another staple in a Maharashtrian thali is the Matki Usal, which is basically sprouts. इतना बढ़िया thick masala है for the matki.
I didn't expect this.
And crunchy
Wow.
onions है इसमें. They're not like गले हुए. And I need to eat the matki just like that. नुस्ता.
This is very nice.
All right, I am going for the kala chicken.
Yeah. I want to try the gravy first. Oh. अच्छा, not as spicy as I expected.
Because overall I must say कि ये थाली जो है it's on the spicier side, which is fantastic because the weather is actually cool.
Right for it.
The सूखा खोबरा and onion वाटन as they say, कितना अलग ही flavor आता है उसका. The सूखा खोबरा really oozes the oil and it makes it so delicious. And I must mention here that गाउठी चिकन कभी-कभी उतना टेंडर नहीं होता है, लेकिन उसका टेस्ट अमेजिंग है.
I think ये राइस के साथ अच्छा लगेगा ना? What rice is it?
This is a short grain rice. It's a local rice.
I think this gravy will go very well with the rice.
ओ वाओ, ये काला चिकन भाकरी के साथ कुछ अलग इसका मिजाज है और चावल के साथ कुछ अलग फ्लेवर है इसका, है ना। और अब मैं वो करने वाली हूँ जो एक भाकरी के साथ किया जाना चाहिए। भाकरी, ठेचा, रॉ प्याज, कांदा जो शेतकरी स्टाइल में तोड़ा जाता है
मुट्ठी मार के।
कहाँ है? यहाँ है। ये नहीं है। ये है। बहुत सालों पहले बचपन में माय डैड हैड टोल्ड मी हाउ टू डू दिस बट आई हैवंट डन इट इन इयर्स।
अभी वो अच्छी वाली भाकरी दीजिए प्लीज, विच इज ऑफ प्रॉपर साइज एंड प्रॉपर्ली पफ्ड। हियर दिस इज प्रॉपर, ना जला है ना चड्डी के शेप है।
भाकरी, ठेचा,
आई वांट मोर।
ठेचा है, संभाल के।
सो भाकरी, ठेचा, कांदा, मेक अ कैलजोन।
ऐसे खाने से ये जो ज्वार का स्वीटनेस आता है ना, you could not have tasted it in any other way. ये जो हमारा शेतकरी है महाराष्ट्र का फार्मर, ये उसका खाना है भाकरी, ठेचा, कांदा।
अभी वो क्या खाएगा?
I apologize on Mohit's behalf. वाइल्ड रूट्स की जो महाराष्ट्रियन थाली है, जो कि वो बहुत पर्टिकुलरली इंसिस्ट करते हैं दैट दे सर्व द लोकल फूड, वो ये सब
and
कुछ
they have served the local food and
Yes.
it's quite fab.
The Saoji chicken is beautiful. गांव की तरफ की सब्जी की टेस्ट ही कुछ और है। दिस भिंडी इज हैज इट्स ओन स्वीट टेस्ट, मतलब बिना मसालों के भी कुछ अलग ही है इसकी मिठास। My God, when you live close to nature, the water that goes into making this food and just the fresh veggies and the ingredients, they just make a 360-degree difference.
And also the loose chicken, the loose chicks.
Yes, which we were warned about on our way here. When you end the day on a full tummy with this meal, it's really hard to sum up which part of the day was really the best.
And also on a slightly spicy tikha note.
Yeah. But this whole experience of being in Wildroots in Bhandardara was a mix of sweet and sour and spicy. The kayaking was so nice.
The breakfast in the morning was so...
Oh yeah, just to sit at that deck, let the water of the river flow by and eat your breakfast. Oh, what a start.
And on that note,
आते रहिए, खाते रहिए
और पूछते रहिए खाने में क्या है।
क्या है।
बस भाकरी खाओ,
भाकरी, ठेचा, कांदा।